Where we at?
We're at Used Bikes Direct. Yeah, we're giving away some pants, selling some hoodies. It's been a good time. All right, so we made it to the final day out here in Dallas. We're really tired, but we're at the final event here at Texas Superbikes. Just pull up right now, we're gonna get set up. Like you just saw before, earlier today, we did some content in downtown Dallas on the bridges. Really hyped, really sick. Yeah, it's just awesome out here in Dallas. I want to move out here, but yeah, enjoy tonight. We're gonna get a whole lot of cool footage and some montages for you guys, and we're gonna hand out a bunch of gear, so enjoy. Dallas trip here at the MBT house. Can't wait to do this again. I want to get some more MBT houses like this in the future. Trying to work on some for next summer, maybe a little moto content house. But yeah, overall it's a good time. We're gonna hop in the van. We're gonna head to Used Bikes Direct right now because we got a little surprise for you guys.
This is 63600's last wheelie before he gives the bike away to this guy right here, stealing his bike. And now you say farewell.
Murder she wrote. No longer mine.
No longer. How do you feel though? You're getting a 1K.
Guys, we got the man Hunter here. He's gonna take the Buell out for a quick little ride. Now, a lot of people have not seen this. They don't know what Buell is, and I'm out here trying to, push the brand. As you can see, I'm wearing the Buell shirt. So while Hunter's out there taking the Buell for a quick ride, the real reason why we are stopping here is, one, yes, pick the Buell up because I left it here, but two, I did buy a new bike. I've been telling Daniel for a while now, my next purchase, I haven't bought a bike in a while, my next purchase is going to be through you, and yeah, he asked me what I wanted. I told him I need a dirt bike, needs to be street legal, 450, I don't know, just find me something. He found me the exact bike that I wanted and I needed, and it is a 2020 Husqvarna 501 that has all the goodies on it. Let's show them. Official. Used Bikes, baby. I'm a customer for life.
Bob approves.
Bob approves. Put his hat on.
Come on, Bob. What are you doing?
What'd you think? It's a twin. What did it feel like?
It felt like a leader bike.
Yeah.
I was scared to rip on it because as soon as I hit 4K RPM, it really went.
Yeah. It's like a Ducati, an American Ducati.
Yeah, so that's
I'm not sure if I could ride something like this. I feel straight up.
Yeah. So the hammerhead will be clip-ons, sport bike position.
Yeah, I've never really rode naked bikes, so I'm like standing up like this.
They compare this to the V2, but it is a lot faster than the V2. But when it comes to pricing, it's around the same as a V2. I think it's like 20 grand.
Okay. Yeah, no, this thing's sick, dude.
Yeah, the hammerhead. You want to take it for a ride?
Yeah, can I take it for a ride?
Yeah. So the hammerhead, the one they're sending is going to be fully exposed carbon fiber.
Wow.
And the cool thing about Buell is, I don't know if you knew, but the frame, this is actually the gas tank. So the gas tank is in the frame. So you fill it up here and this whole thing gets filled up.
How many gallons can it hold?
It's like a little over 3, maybe 3.5.
Yeah, it's a very compact bike too.
Compact, yeah, and instead of, like on Superbikes, your bike, you got the 2 front calipers up front. They got the 1, but the perimeter, and it brakes so well.
Yeah, I see that. Jesus. This thing is well manufactured.
It feels solid, right? It's like a solid bike. We got our man CJ here now. Guy's really big on YouTube. I just met him this weekend. He's a great guy. I can't wait for him to move to Florida, but we're gonna get him on the Buell next. Let him see how that, American V-twin, 185 horsepower motor feels like.
Can't wait.
I thought you were gonna get on it.
That thing is so much fun, dude.
Yeah.
Wow.
Sick. Dude, for a twin, I feel like it's crazy that a twin pushes this much power.
I know.
Yeah.
And that clutch, man, you gotta really give it a lot of gas for
Yeah.
that to not grab so hard.
Yeah.
Wow. Hey, appreciate you letting me take that out.
Yeah. That good old hydraulic clutch. Yeah, it's fitting, you know, you're from Wisconsin.
Yeah.
With the Wisconsin plate.
That is actually funny.
We got my man Fast Flow here.
Let's go.
And yeah, he's gonna rip the Buell now. Got everyone out here just getting their hands on this thing, getting the feel, what the Buell is capable of. So he's gonna get out there. We might do a wheelie, I'm not sure.
Oh
but,
yeah, for sure.
We're gonna film it.
Oh yeah, man, I'm excited.
Fucking Buell, baby. So that's it, Dallas. It was a blast. Got to hang out with everybody. Got to give out some merch. Got to do the FLG NBT hoodie. They sold out immediately. Probably gonna do another run with those. We picked up the dirt bike, my first dirt bike. I bought it from Daniel at Used Bikes Direct. Texas Superbikes event was insane. Quiet and Ghost Racing. That event was just insane. I'm trying to not miss my exit right now. But as you can see, we're just leaving Dallas right now. We're gonna head back. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but stay tuned. We got a lot more because as soon as we get back, all the parts for the giveaway bike, that Sportster, they came in and we're gonna get to do a nice little build series. So peace out. Stay tuned for the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe. We got a whole lot more coming. And yeah, catch you in the next video.